Today, I would really want to talk about something that holds a lot of women back from pursuing their entrepreneurial dreams. And this one thing is the fear of failure. So, first of all, I would want to acknowledge that fear of failure is normal. Whenever you're starting a business or taking a new challenge, fear is a natural response of stepping out of your comfort zone because you're getting out of a place which is not no longer comfortable. You would feel this kind of a fear, and fear is just an emotion, it is not a fact. Most of the times people act with courage. Now, what is courage? Courage is not absence of fear, but courage is taking action despite your fear. So let me give you some actionable steps, how you can overcome this fear of failure. The first thing is, I want you to reframe failure as a learning lesson. So instead of viewing failure as something negative, or something that is going to put you down, I want you to start seeing that as a feedback. I want you to journal each setback, because each setback is going to give you a valuable insight into what works and what doesn't work. The second thing that I would really want you to do, Shania, is to take small and calculated risks. Now, when we have this feeling of fear within us, sometimes it gets overwhelming because we are thinking about all the worst case scenarios. So, in order to ease into entrepreneurship, you could start with taking small calculated risks. It could be like launching a side project along with your full-time job, testing a product, or offering your service part-time, say over the weekends. The next thing that I would want you to do, Shania, is to build a support system. Surround yourself with people who understand your goals and can offer encouragement when you face doubts. There are a lot of mentors, there are a lot of working women who are on that journey of creating entrepreneurship. So the moment you are in touch with these people will help you to stay grounded. They will help you to really feel that you are not alone in the journey. There are many like you, who are on that journey and who are wanting to move on that journey of entrepreneurship. And finally, the most important one that I would want to tell you, focus on your why. Whenever you are having this fear of failure, always come back to your purpose. Why you are doing what you are doing. Is it about more freedom? Is it about more flexibility? Is it about something that you are really passionate about? When your why is stronger than your fear, you are encouraged to push through those challenges. Those challenges are no longer your impediments. So these are some of the things that I would want to tell you, Shania.